places at the end of the places. Now done. Enough places for boiled eggs, fried done.
Uh-oh, she left.
And the wings get set. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Where's the ball? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm a good basketball player.
Go!
Okay. Throw it to him. Bring the ball. Don't forget the ball.
Oh, what's this? Wait,
Whoa. He's gonna crawl up.
Say, I get reckless when I'm around softness. Daddy.
You say daddy too.
So I'm giving it to you, Daddy T.
You gonna take that thing? Oh, shoot, come off. I'd give it to you.
Ball.
I found something really cool. I saw your sunglasses.
Where?
I mean
These glasses.
These. Can you see?
I can see, but not real good. But now I can see better.
Why did you not see your eyesight back?
But when I was your age, I could see without glasses. But when sometimes when you get older, you have to have some glasses where you can help see.
Can you see?
Uh-huh.
Is that really good?
Not so good. Like this, I can see pretty good, but not so good. Not like your eyes. You and your sister got brand new eyes. One blue and brown.